What's going on YouTube? CJ here at the Trading Collective, an education-based community of traders. Today we're going to be talking about Robinhood, or Hood, a company that recently IPO'd, a retail trading platform optimized really for your phone. But before we get into it, if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribing if you haven't already done so. Trading alone sucks. Stop trading alone. Look at the description for an invite link. Come trade with us. Come trade with me. I live trade every single day in our Discord, as well as on Facebook. Become a member of the Trading Collective today. We have 25% off. Maybe still. I don't know. There's only so many spots. You get access to our university program as well as our Selene algo, which isn't on the screen right now, but we have plenty of videos on. Okay, we're going to roll into the video. That's why I timestamped it, so you don't have to listen to any of this. Okay, Robinhood. IPO'd at $38 just a few days ago. It was over $85 today. Today's Wednesday. I know, it's Thursday now, so bear with me. But over $85 today. It halted several times. It was crazy. It was crazy. It is way too early to do any technical analysis or even a proper price projection for this company. Way too early. But something when a company IPOs that you should look at and really consider is, do I like this company? Do I believe in this company? Do I want to hold this long term? Kathy Woods, who manages the ARK hedge fund, she thinks so. I mean, she's been buying it since it IPO'd and bought like another 90,000 shares today, which was one of the main factors that caused this thing to really go up, because she's a fundamentally sound trader, and you get a bunch of apes on Reddit, a little bit of direction, and they're gonna, I mean, look at that. Look at that. So a couple websites that I like to use, you can look for in the description down below here. It's Wall Street Bets Daily, or WSB Daily. Boom, there's the link, wsbdaily.com. I love this. Probably my favorite one. I just wish that they updated like all the time, because you can click on the security and it shows you a nice pretty graph, the previous day's range, the news. It keeps it all right there. Due diligence, top discussions, super sweet. Quant is freaking awesome. It updates pretty quickly. If you guys have a better website that you like to use to track Wall Street Bets stuff, because meme stocks are becoming even more prevalent. I mean, I'm going to show you guys on Monday a way to scalp trade these and what you're looking for essentially. I'll show you a quick preview here. How to trade this sort of movement and how to trade meme stocks in general. So if you guys like this video, like I said, smash that like button and we'll see you in the next one. Get out of here. Enjoy your day. It's Thursday, about to be Friday, then Saturday. Later.